What?
Like smiling. Oh, we're done now. That's all. Don't do that.
Just keep going, baby.
Don't do that. That's not funny.
It is.
Hey,
It's
hey.
cute.
Hey, I don't have the proper makeup on right now. I can't be doing this. This is illegal. I'm going to talk to my lawyer about this later.
You're gonna talk to your lawyer about it later?
Yeah. She doesn't think it's right anyway. She stopped crying. You can't do this to me. It's fine.
Okay, well then block your own face. Don't block my baby's face.
Okay. That's gonna work.
And nobody's gonna be able to hear your funniness. Haha. Look, she didn't like it. She was like, "Don't cover your face."
Oh, no. I gotta cover my face now. I can't do this.
Everybody on my Facebook already know who you are. This is Alex Cortez, by the way. That was a rude finger, sir.
I don't know what I'm talking about. Hey. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Remember when you told me I love you forever? Remember that one day? Remember? You're not gonna stop tonight. Oh, okay. Okay.
Damn, she can do that a lot. She's a
If you kind of do a piece of candy.
She doesn't know what candy is yet, babe.
I do a piece of candy to be quiet. I will. I swear. I'll put the comments there. Okay.
She doesn't want your pinky.
I'll do a bottle. I'll give it some milk. What else did you like?
Change your diaper. Maybe she wants booby milk.
You shake your head, yes.
Does she want some booby milk?
You're gonna get a little quiet? You're gonna get a little quiet now, aren't you? Pardon?
Oh no, now I'm committed to pumping.
Huh.
Well, today you're not going to get Mommy's booby milk. You're going to get Alex's booby milk. Alex, go ahead and pump.
Today. Oh, whoa. Hey. No suffocating yourself today. Come on.
I can't see your little face. You're so mad.
What do you want to? What's the fun of being mad? Be glad.
Oh.
Oh, my God. Wow. You see that?
Hey. I love you. Stop being mad. I love how she swings her hand around. I don't know. Why don't you check? You stink. You smell like cigarettes and butthole. Gross. Whoa, she's kicking around.
You gonna do that thing?
Oh no, she's an airplane!
I love how she's up here fake crying in the air.
I know, she's like, I'm gonna still play it off like I'm mad, but I really like this stuff. Well, how did you know? Because we know you liked it yesterday too.
Yeah. Is that what you really wanted? So now you have no reason to be mad. Okay?
Uh-oh, airplane! Oh, gosh. What's going on? Oh, you can't fight the funk anymore, can you?
Yeah, I remember when people crash into the camera on accident? All right.
It looks like my baby has a bald spot because of her cowlick. You look like a little old black man.
What?
Get him, girl. Get him, girl.
All right, shut up, mouth.
Hey, you shut your mouth. I'm playing airplanes over here. Mom, you just be quiet.
L-O. Can't see it on camera.
Woo! Airplane! It's gonna crash! Everybody look up your nose!
Camera.
Mwah.
Oh, it's good. No, don't start crying. Don't start crying.
Uh-oh.
Don't do that.
None of that.
Don't do that. Oh, you gonna stick your tongue out at me?
Oh, get him.
Oh.
Should've got...
Don't start crying. Don't start crying.
He just wants to be up in the air. She's like, wait a minute, you're not putting me back up? Okay. I'll start making the cry face. You're going to put me back up in the air. Yeah.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Look,
I know the secret.
Look.
Superman! Camellia Superman. She lives in a garbage can.
It's like I did the me.
Something. Look at her double little... Oh, she has two cowlicks right next to each other. It looks terrible.
It's like, come on, camera.
Hey, guys. So, this morning I had some boob milk.
Like, I love you, MTV.
I love you, MTV. This morning I had some boob milk, and then I had some formula, and...
Why are you making spit bubbles?
Then I spat all over my mom's boyfriend.
That's so unattractive. That's not cool.
Keep talking shit, and I'm going to spit up on you again.
No, please don't.
Look at that face. She's so serious, too. She's like, uh-huh. I was thinking I want me to have spit bubbles and have fun. So you just want me to, like, puke on you and stuff.
She's like, y'all don't know what to say when I say God is good all the time.
God is good all the time. Y'all know what to say back to Jesus?
Like, no.
Camille, what you say back to Jesus? Say, God is good all the time. And all the time, God is good.
What are you doing? What's all that? Huh?
You got her sitting all funky. Hey, love.